XXM Machitana Bokeli, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another podcast, your number one kasi favorite, the talk with OB. Yataba Vayu1, Hamban Indona Yako OMC, DMCEEE, Method R9. So before Safari Yataba, as we always do, don't forget to hit the notification button, subscribe to our channel and for more content. Also follow us to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I'm a short clip where you can find them during the week on Instagram. So yeah, man, you can do that, man, and then channel the notification button, so that we'll be locked and loaded. We'll be connected. The stuff is just listen to tell us all. So yeah, before your fair exercise season 2 with a bang, I'm told I'm what is coming down. So vandaag Saseka Slum, Saseka 15, Sasa Ivory Park, Asaga, Kitchen Fair, but then yeah, we've been through different places. So Atanga Regas by I have my brother Injam Yamkava Lumchita, I can explain this in this bio, but then Umundo Uchi is his motivating, pushes into Indlayaki, his on his journey. I won't say he's big or what, that's not my place to say, but then all I know is Yonki step, no matter whether or fair or top or la pansy, it's always growth. Still the process of cool, and just be yourself. So yeah, man, I'm Petit, the one and only, the footballer, the snatty, Onyedikachi Onunobi. If we mispronounce it, but then yeah, man, it is fun. Yo, that's a few show me that now it is what is keep on. So man, yeah, man, I guess people is introduced. Keep on.
Sure. Sanbonan Babugeli. Yeah, I'd like to greet all the elders and the young ones, the youth and everyone. Yeah, Minika Malami, Kosnati, Sponga, Onunopu, but I go by the nickname of Neymar. Abangazi abaningi ekasi la Ivor bangiza ono bathabala approve la Neymar. So yeah, that's me.
Hey, it's been a minute. For me now, I guess yiga yime engakwazi ukuyisondela phakathi nyana ngoba I guess uprising yakho ngibone from sasa Shandisi. So before ngiya top nyana angitshele ngidisc like before discover udlalela ama team nani I guess ungangicalela kule age engathi ulibone crane maybe age 3 or 5 like leso spark yonto le iqale kanjani ubonile mhlambe.
Well, it I think ngicala ukudlala 2008. Sure. Yeah, I started playing soccer 2008 because mina kahle kahle being interested in cricket. La bengikeleza khona ukudlala cricket. That was the main sport, like bengifunda at this primary school called WH Kutu at Johannesburg. So that we were specializing in cricket, rugby. So I loved cricket more than all the other sports. But then 2008, I remember when I went to live in Mpumalanga for a year. Yeah, that's when I discovered my talent with diamond. I can play this thing, But then, okay, bengi amaranga ilandeli, luga obono sasentwana. You haven't decided on what you want. You understand as me English. So bengi dala ngphinde ngibaleke. Then 2009, I had to come to Ivory Park. Sure. So when I came to Ivory Park, I remember there was this other time we were going to play a tournament at Ebomini Primary School. Sure. So we were short on a player, you understand? Sure. So they needed a right back. So by then I didn't know what was a right back. Babies were a two. You understand? Yeah. So at I was in Shapo. Ngizoyishaya mina ithu minyere yazini athi minyere yazi ithu ngithi bethu ngazi ukuthi kamapha mara ukuthi ithu yini then I sharp minyere okay ithu yile position lena then okay sharp. So yes, I played well. Then the teacher what he gave me after the game, hey man, you've got potential, why don't you take the game serious? Like try ukuthi uthole team ekasi, start training and so forth, you understand. So I think after that day, that's when I saw good time, man. You know, lento le kahle kahle ngizalele yona, you understand that this is my talent, and if I wanna make it in life, this is where I have to put more effort, you understand. So yeah, that's how it started. Yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, I mean, ngibone so fika and actually ngumating plus then in cricket besidlala ngara
you understand.
Yeah. But then going legend yakho and like discovering like the soccer and whatnot. What's interesting must such a sport list by abantu great when it comes to sport. Abantu ukuthi they were never good in sport, but then there was always this sport by from start before discovering relations. For example, Michael Jordan, uNtswembu ngegolf, basketball, ushanelo, bekathandilo, baseball. So what the interesting part ukuthi like mina bengicanga ukuthi vele from train ukuteka ngoba le way bodlala khona na nafanda ngithi yabo. So yeah, and then going in primary and then more so uthatha serious, did you just eventually udlalela i-team or kunomuntu oconvince that ntwana mina ngibona ngathi ugrand, ngibona ngathi singayenza something?
Okay, bekhona enye out, okay, maybe abantu ababhaya like us abakudala, like if bolandelela i-disc by then bayamcava khona enye out bebathi uMgababa like kala Ivory Park Market show. Yeah, most guys abadlala i-disc badlalile la yabo. So that guy mangisuka vele esigela, okay, now I'm hunting for a team yabo. So obviously I had friends who were playing by then yabo. So I'm like enjoy, I'm great. So fele when udlala va and I'm like ngithi mina ngidlala kuMgababa, enjoy mina ngifuna ukujima uzwakala, you understand. So I remember my first day when I went there, okay, sengisaba ukujima sengifikile at the sport but manje sengisaba ukungena uyabona kunaleyo excitement yokuthi okay there's a team, but at the same time naleyo fear ukuthi hey mfethu amajita kudala adlala yabona mina ngoma fika izolo and all sort of stuff, you understand. So then uMgababa then approached me, mfethu utlile gymming or utlile kae mfethu, hayi coach na utlile gymming, okay apara utsene mfethu majita batlo thoma, understand. Okay, then I dressed, we started training, we trained. After the session, Mgababa was like, hey man, you're a good player, I can help you like with some few basics, then from there, we'll take it from there, we'll see your progress and everything, you understand? So I was like, yeah man, you know, I'm keen, because you're not the first one to tell me so, you understand? So like, I'm keen to learn more. Then he was like, okay, sharp. So then I went to Mgababa changed me from right back. He was like, no, you're not a right back, you're a striker. I played striker. He registered me in the league for under 13s. I think that season it was 2009 approaching 2010. We played the league, I came out top goal scorer, we won the league, you know, I was happy. Okay, now I'm starting to discover myself. Okay, kahle mina ngulo umuntu lo, so you understand. Okay, sharp, I played for Mgababa maybe for like 5 years or so, you understand. From Mgababa went to Mshege, yeah, Makang FC. Okay, then that's when I was like grown enough, I was like playing for the under 17s, you understand. So when I went to Mshege, it was another story with Baba, you're not a striker. Actually, you're a midfielder, you understand. Okay, he started playing me as a number 10, as a winger, you understand. I played well, I did great stuff there. Then I played. Then I discovered, okay, Yazin, if now I'm at a certain point whereby I have to go out and go seek for what I want, because now, okay, like I see sharp, I'm good in Adlala, everyone is noticing with, hey man, there's this small boy, but then there's no progress whereby I'll go to trials and everything. So yeah, you understand. So I started searching with, okay, I have a team. So then I heard about this team called Khalifang, coached by Elijah. You know, that guy, man, he helped me a lot, like, to be where I am today, you understand. So, okay, I went to Elijah. Elijah was recommended by Umtsipe Tsepo. Tumelo used to play there, yeah. So then, okay, sharp, first day same thing again, same sabu gym. So like I stood at there was a tree like I'm standing by the tree, I'm watching them training. So Elijah notices that no man, this guy actually had came here to train, you understand? So he approaches me, hey man, what did you come to train here? And I'm like, yeah man. Then he's like, why are you standing by the tree? And I'm like, no, I was just observing, you know. I don't want to tell him that I was scared, but I'm like, yeah, I was just observing, you understand? Then he's like, nah, man, like, dress up. We've got like 45 minutes left. So at least you can do something, then we'll see from there. I went there, trained, first training. Hey, he was happy. That guy's like, hey, man, you good, you understand? Came back the following day, trained. Then after that training session, after my second training session, he's like, hey man, like you good. And last night when I was at home, I was thinking maybe we should give you a nickname. And I'm like, yo, nickname. Then he calls the other gents, is like, man, this guy, should we call him Di Maria or Neymar? You understand? So then people were voting now. Neymar, no, Di Maria. Then this other boy called Tabo, he's like, no, this guy is a right footer and he dribbles. Why don't we just call him Neymar? Because Di Maria is a left footer, you understand?
Sure.
So let's just call him Neymar. Then that's where the nickname came about, you understand? Then they will call me Neymar. It started as a small thing, man, you understand? Man, you understand? And when I turned, by the way, because mina nami ngifuna ukuphakamisa ibrand yami, ngifuna ukuba you understand? I don't want to be Neymar, because like Neymar, maybe Neymar is like 25, 26 or 27 if not mistaken. I'm turning 24 next month, you understand? So the age man igap incane. How can you call me ngomuntu usadlala nami ngisadlala? We can one day we can meet and compete, you understand? So like call me Ononopu nami ngiphakamise ikasi lami kube nentwana encane ethi mina baba ngu-Ono, you understand?
So when basically ntwana if kunomuntu maybe bakazogaya igama for maybe a legend, which legend maybe mungathanda ukuthi maybe bagaya igama lakhe?
Legend. Yeah, that's a good question. Timbone, legend. Okay, mina my all-time favorite. I've got 3 all-time favorites, man. You understand? I've got our own best, like South Africa, which is Teko Modise. I've got my favorite player currently, which is Lionel Messi. Not Ronaldo, but Lionel Messi is the best for me. You understand? Then I've got my all-time favorite, which is Ronaldinho, guys. Ronaldinho, that's my all-time favorite. You know? Yeah.
Well, it's like it's amazing because I've always like pictured you in sort of like the football. Masanga Isawa to strictly football. It's like Skula Njinga, this original soccer,
like Brazilian football. South African football is like Brazilian football. We're known as dribblers and what. So, like, it's interesting. So, like, do you remember the chicha position by against striker, and then you once played defense, and then did you just like know a field, or the more you pitch out, the more you change position, and then that's when you started mastering the field? There's a difference, like I think the difference between umuntu owazudlala awazi against the team connected, nomuntu owazi like uboni field, uboni pitch, say ukuthi bangakhipha lela bola maybe lo uzophuma ngale. So I always look at you njengalelo player as like uboni field. So the skill is developing kanjani? Okay, I'd say it. At first, I thought it was only talent. Then, when it's courtesy as Kubega, like, you know, when you practice something, you get good at it. You understand? Or you improve. You understand? So, the more I practice by striker, the more I learn what is striker medicine. You understand? Yeah. The more Zala as a winger, or as a number 10, or as a holding midfielder, or any position, the more we Zala, the more you learn what you, okay, Manglana, this is what is expected from me as a player. You understand? So I think I've always had an eye of scoring. I've always had an eye of giving the right pass, the right weight of the pass at the right time. You understand? So that thing, and you know, sharp as a player is like team street soccer. You know, street soccer, there's a small space. Yeah, understand. So Magnus, small space, you always wanna try to manipulate that space with, no man, I can come out from tight spaces. You understand? I can give the correct pass no matter bathi ispace isincane ibhola ngeliphume mina lo ngizoforce ukuthi ibhola liphume, you understand? So I think that's how I learned ukuthi manje okay mele ngenze so, then comes abo coach banginceda ke with those basics, with those with hey, before you get the ball you must know where to pass the ball, you must be able to control the ball while looking at the next player, you understand, those type of things, you understand? So I think that's how I learned, and that's how I became more sharper as a player, you understand? So I think it's talent mixed with hard work mixed with help from other people, you understand? Because I'm gonna go and how we want at the end of the day, you understand? And any into ends is those very simple. The person you're playing with makes things simple for you, you understand? Star, you can't be a star alone. That's highly impossible, you understand? Yes, so Messi is the greatest player, but Messi Umakela Obani, Amanyamajita, you understand? Yes, he's the greatest, but Konezinyi Zintangazenzi, Bayamenzela, Usena, excel. Yes, so this is how it is, you understand? So yeah.
So when Andana njengoba enjoy like some time with the local football udlala like us, I remember some other time before uzovaya for Chakuma. There was a tournament or games bodlala like us, and people used to fill up the sports grounds every Saturday, every Sunday. So for when what you udlale indaweni esifana nalezi, and as you say ukuthi grassroots football, the kind of like shapes the kind of like player ukuthi yangithola ube uyefanda must be a move experience yakho ungasho ukuthi injani, and how important is it football but in yeah, it got football and turned into like shaping player going forward.
You know, like to be honest, there are a lot of talented players at us. You can whether you go to Soweto, you go to Foslo, you come to Tembisa, you go to Alexandra, you go to Limpopo, you like long or let me say South Africa as a whole. There's a lot of talent, you understand? So like Kasi football and Vetukasi football, you know, when people basekas bathanda ibhola, by the way, and bazo support and babakuthanda bayakuthanda mfethu, you understand? So like playing like us, it helped me a lot, because ukudlala like us, it taught me ukuthi pressure ihendlela kanjani. You know, like asikagcwala umuntu wazi ukusuka ekseni kwakhe ageze mfethu ashiye izinto ezimportant ekumele azenze athi hayi ngiyobukela uOnonobu mfethu, you understand? Then when uyadlala uyamdisappointa leyo muntu, then bayakuthuka, you know, they'll call you names, they'll criticize you, you understand? But then manje maba criticize, the thing is, or the catch is, how do you recover from that? Because next week maybe you udlale, or maybe you had a bad game but the team won. You have to face the very same people, you understand? So what do you do next? You understand? So it's where it teaches you what you know. Mara today, let me go prove them wrong. You would know, man, I'm still the good player which you saw or you still see every time I play, you understand? That was just a game, you understand, where I flop. But then I can still recover from that. Then you improve. In fact, it is like a slim nan, you know, it's competitive. You understand? Because the team you say Alex in fact my figure the team but when I was chelile now, when I'm you know, I'm going to next. And the low moon to learn I lingana now, we have channel time to me now as a winger, you like young pop as in Minangzulu, you understand? So you have to man, you know, Kasi this game is fun. I can talk the whole day about Kasi football, and it's fun.
Well, I think I'm a roots with football. Football was a little bit commercialized, which you
understand?
So me so deep I think umuntu uthanda ama glitz and glam izinto basezenze, but then I think my part, I think the interesting part in my time with buyers is the struggle, man. Like the sacrifices, man. It's not like, I guess abanye abantu bangathi yo ntwana uvela yodlalela la besaphumelela yo sekadlala idisk.
And it wasn't easy, man. You know, like I remember when I was still in amateur level, like I used to walk to training. I used to walk for an hour or 45 minutes. So mara obviously indlela uyayijwayela but then uqale lapho. I used to eskela besiphuma ngo3 Ivory sikeleze sonke la yazi yeah you understand besikeleza eIvory siphuma ngo3 o'clock mawuphuma ngo3 o'clock I've got house chores man kumele ngifike ngiclean ngiwashe izitsha you understand ngihlala ne-old diaspana khona inxusi encane endlini you understand kumele ngimake sure ukuthi mangibuya yonke into igram bese ngiyijimile so okay sijima ngo4 o'clock ne siphuma ngo3 eskela it's like 10 minutes from school to home so ngifike endlini maybe around 1:15 for example okay 1:15 ngifika ngiyaclean elinye ilanga ngiyaropa nokuropa ngiyarosa ukuthi isikhathi ngiphuma endlini seku 3:30 or 20 past futhi 20 past neme 1:30 cabanga I would like jog maybe mfethu boma 6Ks or 10Ks jogging ngiyajogga ejimini late ngiyajogga mangifika ejimini maybe boma 1:15 bangiphanisha abafuna ngikwazi ukuthi uhlala kuphi you understand maybe what you're going because ufike late bamba 5 laps 5 laps sisho 5 laps after those 5 laps sayogijima mfethu hard work cabanga I had to jog plus 5 laps plus hard work then main part yedisk ikhanicala imagine ukuthi engikhathele kangakanani by game you understand but then because of the love of the game I didn't give up angizange ngithi hayi mfethu yazi ngikhathele okay sharp I ngadlula leyo phase leyo I went to an academy called Stars of Africa Stars of Africa bekumele mangifika lapha ngichange isikole like ngithole transfer from Ivory Park to a school near because we academy our principal Mamsebo refused. She was like, nah man, no muntu wenza grade 11 he can't, you understand, he's almost done, like let's give him another year completed and yeah. Then I was like, ay Farouk, I mean I can't man, mina ngizoze training ukuthi ngifika kanjani I'll see, I'll make meals. Mfethu I had to borrow money like every day ukuthi ngifike training up until there's Uchisha Chato Maliga because from this English he played for Kaizer Chiefs, he's a legend yeah. That man namanje ngisambonga no Mr Elijah no Msheke labantu laba bebangigaya imali ukuthi mfethu go to training eskela mina eIvory kwa change mangicala ngisign ku Stars of Africa they used to give me a pass out bengiphuma ngo1 esikolweni mangiphuma ngo1 angisayi endlini no ngetaxi rank baba isikhathi kujinywa ngo3 mangifika taxi rank I have to take a taxi to Johannesburg I have to walk near April mangifika mele ngigibele Max Park ngejimini mangicela ukujima it's like past 6 7 you understand mele ngisuke eAuckland Park cabanga eMax Park akunathix mele ngiwalke from Max Park to Auckland Park ngibamba ijozi by the time ngibuya la ekhaya it's around 9:30 man I have to study you understand mele ngidle mele ngigeze cabanga leso sikhathi leso ngikhathele mangifika sasisikela man you understand up until sometimes bengithi ngama Friday mina ngiyisikela I used to bunk school serious like man maybe Friday nje decide ayazi la ngiyisikela for ndawo ngifuna ukuba elejimini then obviously ngama Friday bengilala le because Saturday siyadlala ngo Sunday so bengilala le weekend you understand location then after 6 months I left sharp I left I came back home I had no team again and uyazi abantu bazothi beka academy ufike yaganga all sort of stuff then I sharp phuma lapho then luckily I signed ne Vodacom team called Babea yo man yeah what a team yeah I was blessed to play for the team laphana ndota that was the best team engeke ngayidlalela like Gauteng played for Babera for a season. Okay, mangtrial go Babera. I used to walk from like Ivory to Midrand. Imagine how far is Midrand, yeah. But it's chimango 9, mina mpumango 6 endlini. Maybe walk 2 hours, mangfika lapana so 8 o'clock, mfika ngibambe nyani nap ya 30 minutes in gym. Up until inside, I lived at the clubhouse I think for a year. Sure. After then, that's where Chakuma came. Yeah, that's where Chakuma came. Then yeah, going to Venda was another story. Yeah, like Venda was fun. I enjoyed my stay at Venda. Like Chakuma made me. when I went to Chakuma, mfethu mangifika lapha pre-season, there's pre-season bengadlali bench. I remember when there was this last game here pre-season, we were going to play against Tuks. We played maybe 14 games during pre-season. I didn't even feature in one game. Then we came to Gauteng, we were to play with Tuks. Then the coach was like, let's give you a run. I went in, we played. I think within 15 minutes, I scored my first goal. Within 20 minutes, I assisted. Then the coach was like, man, you're this good. That's where I signed for Chakuma. Last day, but imagine, man, imagine last day, but today if you don't perform, so then yeah, I had a good game. I signed for Chakuma, and I was happy, man. I was really.
By this time you're done with the school.
With
Iskele high school.
Yeah, so I'm saying Ivor. I think that was 2017, 2018. Yeah. Done. So manje sengupi Chakuma, the greener pastures. Yeah.
So then Chakuma, was it matter of ukuthi kule game you have to do it like when Mongane filled in? What was going through your mind? Was it matter of ukuthi like do I do it or do I go home?
Okay, shall we stage fright? Like I think first 5 minutes I lost like 3 balls. You know, and you can imagine the confidence you understand? But then there comes this ball, then the confidence picks up, you understand? Then I'm like, okay, no man, this man, I can do it, you understand? So what's running through my mind is, at the same time there's pressure, but at the same time you came here to enjoy. You understand? Enjoy while it lasts. Understand? So I was like, yes, if bang you understand? Then luckily uNkulunkulu unendlela zakhe mfethu, you understand, izinto zenzeka, and I signed. So I played there mfethu. I started banging in the goals, man. Banging in the goals. Assist, featuring in all the games, man. It's fun. Then man, it's life.
Sure, that's for me. I think when it comes to stories, I guess like who is born to shine, and then come to realize which we want to on your last day, like kick you out, and also the fact which there's a structured discipline. So basna delva gancane ngara ungayithatha ezintenjani discipline. Do you like find it as duty kwamele bakutshele, or is it something that has to grow in you, like pride sometimes some take over, but then you being humble throughout the whole process, like the discipline we build like sure.
I think it goes hand in hand with let me say, like a personality as a moon, because that's fine. Then it comes back again to your background. So when let's cut to Guinea, mabati one, boti tuna, or mabati one, botobelum ted. Understand? So then Mina, it was a different story. Mama like she's strict, even up until today, like she's strict. You understand? In a way, I remember before she saw what Lentana you'll turn the ball and you'll go forward. After 6 and it was a problem. Yo, been shy, you understand? But then at the same time, because like you understand that they're doing all of the wrong things, you understand? Then when we are to be humble, it goes with self-discipline. Understand? So mina okay, omunye umuntu uzomrespecta as much as ngifuna naye angidumile. Yes, we can make jokes but obviously ama-jokes khona la kumele agcine khona. Yeah. Khona la kumele agcine khona ukuthi mfethu la angidluli. Yeah, you understand. Then I think i-humbleness ngokuthi ungayi ngokuthi okay, now I'm in this level and lo muntu okule level le angisambuki lezo no. Leyo muntu loyo, you know, even the richest person needs help from the poorest person in the world. You understand? Because khona ezinye izinto noma ngingaba da angeke ngikwazi ukuzenza ngizomdinga lo muntu la. You understand? Like for example, example like abantu abangayicabanga during lockdown ne bekunganatshwala. You understand? Bekunganatshwala like utshwala bengatholakala. Bana bekhona abantu abebanotshwala. Sure. Umuntu rich bekeza la ikase azofuna ni utshwala ukuthi mfethu mina kanyini. You understand? Hook me up man, you know. Yeah, so if wena ngeke ube humble uzochoma mawubuya uzofuna usizo uzitshela ukuthi lo muntu uzokusiza because when you've got money there man, like ifame. Yes, ifame into yasemhlabeni mara after fame what happens? You understand? That's the catch. After fame what happens? So ungaba famous ube nani, you understand? But then ifame ngeke ngisendawo. You understand? Ifame was ikhansela iprivacy yakho awukwazi ukuthi intshope wenze leso because wonke umuntu ukubhekile yawazi. You understand? So more humble noma ungenza into wrong, there are some people who are going to back you up. Yazi umoshile nje yami mara yazi ngeke sik expose because of you understand? So I think respect nokuthi uzithobe is the key man.
Speaking of discipline intwana now udlalela iChakuma sobona iTV, you know, namajiti ayekusiye intwana umbonile intwana TV, all that fame, all that spotlight kuwe mfethu, how did you manage to handle it and ukuthi yabo was keep a private life yakho from,
you know, like ngicala eKasi mfethu. I was eKasi mangisuka la eKasi ngiya kuChakuma was already well known. You understand? So I think njengoba besikhuluma ukuthi ama-game waseKasi, I think that prepared me ukuthi makufika le bigger picture I'm now you understand? So obviously like eKasi so famous mfethu uyadlala uvela kuma-post ukuthi le ntwana le mawuhlangana nomunye umuntu kwelinye iKasi akubingelela, you don't have to lo funana man ola khotman ugrand sure and mfethu ngicela ukuthatha isithombe now. If you do have that time you take a picture. Even if you're in a rush, I'm but at least I can take 2 pictures, you know, and leave. If you can't, I'm rushing somewhere. This is this and this is that. You understand? But then then when you all big, you understand? So because you know, at the end of the day, you know, you can move from there and come back here. You understand? Just like that. Bese expect ukuthi wena mawuzothi mrafa uzoyenzakalani sokushaya epoma machita ushaya epoma uzoswaba uzophindwe one and uzozibuza ukuthi why enhle kamachita wonke angiflathela kanti hayi it was the way was phethe ngayo, the way wenza ngayo izinto. Understand? So yeah.
Switching it back to football, I believe iChakuma, so you had like your first big season NFD, and you guys almost went into like coming up to PSL and everything. Ask about the struggle mfethu and ukuthi bofila kanjani mfethu uthi bekusele kancane uthi ufike PSL
mfethu, you know, akekho umuntu ongafeel disappointed makabona like even if you're playing a game and you see with a chance to win, you feel a little bit down, just so smart. You understand? So you know, when we went to the playoffs via Chakuma, I think we were left with 10 games, if not mistaken, and we were number 4 on the log, and we were written off, by the way. But then so surprise about because we were supposed to win 8 games. Sure. We were supposed to draw 1 game, and if you lose, I was supposed to lose 1 game. But then Tina surprise about to win a 9 out of 10. So draw the last game. You understand? Went to playoffs. I must figure Goma playoff. It was a different atmosphere. I mean, best experience as well. You understand? playing against the PSL team because Sayabu my playoff beginning Maritzburg United and it was Royal Eagles. Yes. I think first game I was benched in 15 minutes. Okay, yes, I was disappointed with why bang bench. Second game, it was against Maritzburg. I was also benched again. I didn't even play that game. I was on the stands, really, on the grandstand. I didn't play. Then third game, the coach is like, I have to come play. As soon as I came in, I assisted a goal, man. And I'm like, okay, what's happening, man? I assisted a goal. Like, we won 2-1. We went to play against Maritzburg. I started the game. I did well, but then we lost again 2-1. Hey, man, like, man, I was happy. I was over the moon. But at least in my CV, I've played AMA playoffs. One day when I write my CV, I'll write that I've been featured in season 2017-2018 promotional league playoffs. Yeah, man. So it was kind of a dream come true with first season, AMA playoff. Even though I didn't make it to the PSL, but then I was happy what I was there. I was part of the team. We wrote history for TTM. We were the first. We were the first group to figure my playoffs in TTM, you understand? So at least I'll be proud one day. Which okay, I was part of that squad 2017-2018, you understand? Yeah.
And which is number 15.
You understand? Just number 15, you know, that's when I decided with no man. Oh no, what's number 15? You know, if you go to Instagram, my handle is like at @ononopo15. You understand? Because very like into I say guys, number 15. You understand? So at least me representing something. You understand? So yeah.
And which